Okay. You keep running from me, now you're breathing hard. Gotta let me thrive and then wanna wine and dine. And then tell me that you want it hours. Can't swim so I won't drown in the ocean. I'm pounding it, macaroni sounds in it. You will get yours before I'm getting mine, baby. And of course, you know what you found in me. You'll get it for hours.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're gonna be making Rasta pasta today.
To start the video off, I just put a pinch of sea salt inside of my water to just make it boil a little bit faster. Some of the ingredients that I use, I had, of course, my chicken and shrimp, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, heavy whipping cream, bell peppers of my choice. I had olive oil and I had the seasonings that I used, and I also had jerk sauce, which was mild in. Here I am cutting on my bell peppers, not in any type of way, just cutting. Then I ended up cutting up my chicken breast into really small bite-sized pieces, and then I put a little olive oil inside of the pot after I seasoned it, and I just cooked it. So here I am adding a couple tablespoons of butter to my pot so I could saute my bell peppers. After I saute these bell peppers, I'm going to season them a little bit, and then I'm going to proceed with adding my cheeses, more seasoning, the heavy whipping cream, etc. did add some minced garlic when I felt like my bell peppers were done sauteing. You do not want to add the minced garlic too early, and you don't want to have your heat up too high because the minced garlic does burn easily. Adding that little ass dash of fucking seasoning. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. I needed way more seasoning, but I don't know how to, whatever. But make sure you don't add that little seasoning like I did. Add your cheeses after you added the heavy whipping cream, and you don't want to cook this on high because it's gonna burn. So just pretty much just watch it, keep stirring it up, keep it like on the low/medium type of heat, and you're gonna know when it's pretty much done. y'all try this recipe out though. Let me know how y'all like it. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you guys in the next video.